Are you thinking about selling your house? I have 5 cleaning tips for you. I know it's not spring yet. However, if you start now, you will be ready for spring or even earlier so that you're not competing against all the other houses that are going to hit the market in the springtime. First one is start drawer by drawer. You don't want to just jump into it and have to clean the whole house and declutter everything. Go through one drawer a day or every other day. Start cleaning it out. The longer you've lived in a house, the more clutter and stuff accumulates. You can barely get open some of the drawers. I know it already. And you have a couple junk drawers that you probably should just throw everything out or start donating some stuff or make piles so you can accumulate a bunch of stuff and donate it or sell it. 2, I have kids, and if you have kids, they come home with treasures all the time. So the rooms are packed full of treasures. And every week at school, they come home with a packet of about a pound of paper of different arts and different things like that. Start picking out some of the favorites, take pictures, and then what I do is, don't judge, throw it away when they're not looking, because let's just be honest, there's so much paper that is coming home. So that's tip number 2. Number 3 is go outside. Pretend you've not been in this home. Pretend that you don't see, like when you walk in, you don't see the stuff anymore that you used to see. So bring someone you don't know in and have them point out all the different things that you need to fix. So for example, if you were to walk into my house, we did an upgrade to our, I know this is crazy, our master bathroom. We put a new fan in, which wasn't the same size and the light and everything. So if you look up above the shower, a little outside the shower, you will see pencil marks that the contractor put in there, or the electrician put on the ceiling of where it should go. And of course, it wasn't exactly by it. So of course, there's like marks all over it. So either erase it or paint over it. Look at the little scuff marks, what needs to be painted. Is it the baseboards? Is that trim piece missing? Start walking through the house and seeing what kind of small repairs you can do. Nothing crazy, because I would advise you to meet with a realtor before you do any of remodeling or additions or anything like that, because you got to make sure, are you actually going to get your money out of it? And then since you're already outside, well, before you walk outside is first impressions. How is your yard? I know we're in December right now. Now's the time to start pruning the roses and pruning back the trees and the bushes so that we get some color for the springtime. And when you're out there, make sure that maybe you have them plant something that has some color, because you want some pop. You don't want it all one color. And that front door. Front door is really important. You want to make sure that key works really well, and make sure that door is not completely worn or the paint is chipping. Whatever it is, you want to make sure that the front door looks good, because that's as they're entering your home. You don't want them to judge your home by the front door. So those are 5 simple tips that you can start working on now for listing your home and spring cleaning.